When it comes to web hosting, two of the biggest names in the industry are DreamHost and GoDaddy. Both have been around for years, offering a wide range of hosting services, but they take different approaches. Whether you're launching your first website, running a small business, or building an online store, choosing the right hosting provider can impact your site's performance, security, and overall experience. So how do these two compare? Well, let's go ahead and break it down and find out which one is the best fit for you and your website. In this deep dive, we'll compare DreamHost versus GoDaddy across features, pricing, performance, customer support, and more. And by the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one suits your needs best. What you need to know about DreamHost and GoDaddy. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what these two companies actually offer. So GoDaddy is one of the biggest names in web hosting and domain registration. If you've ever seen their flashy Super Bowl ads, then you know that they've been around forever. They provide a wide range of services, from website hosting and domain names to email marketing and business tools. They position themselves as a one-stop shop for all things website related. Now, DreamHost, on the other hand, is known for being a reliable, budget-friendly hosting provider with a strong commitment to privacy and open source technology. They've been around since the late 90s and have built a solid reputation for providing good value, especially for WordPress users. Both companies offer shared hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and more. But the way they go about it and the quality of what they offer, pretty different. Features. What do you get? When it comes to features, DreamHost and GoDaddy both cover the basics, but they have some different strengths. So let's break it down. Ease of use and control panels. GoDaddy uses cPanel, which is one of the most widely used control panels for managing web hosting settings. Think of cPanel as the dashboard of a car. It gives you all the controls you need in one place, allowing you to manage your website, domains, email accounts, and security settings without needing advanced technical skills. For those who have used web hosting before, cPanel is familiar and efficient, making it easy to switch between hosting providers that also use the cPanel. However, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first because it has a lot of features and options. Now, that being said, once you get the hang of it, cPanel makes managing your website much easier by providing one-click installations for apps like WordPress, file management tools, and backup options, all in a single user-friendly interface. Now, DreamHost, on the other hand, has built its own custom control panel. Some people love it because it's simpler and cleaner than cPanel, while others prefer the flexibility of cPanel. If you're new to hosting, DreamHost panel might be easier to navigate, but if you're used to cPanel, there's a bit of a learning curve. Website builders. If you want to build a website quickly, GoDaddy has its own website builder, which is great for beginners. It's simple, drag and drop, and doesn't require any coding. The downside, it's pretty basic, and once you build your site on GoDaddy's platform, it's not easy to move elsewhere. DreamHost doesn't have its own standalone website builder like some hosting providers, but it integrates seamlessly with WordPress, the most popular website building platform. If you're planning to use WordPress, DreamHost gives you more flexibility and better performance. To make the website building process even easier, DreamHost offers BoldGrid, a custom-built WordPress website builder. BoldGrid is essentially a drag-and-drop tool that works on top of WordPress, making it easier to design professional-looking websites without needing any coding skills. With BoldGrid, you can choose from pre-made templates, customize layouts, and edit your site visually, similar to how website builders like Wix or Squarespace work, with the power and flexibility of WordPress. This means you still have full control over your site, can add plugins, and you're not locked into a proprietary system that limits customization. It's a really great solution for beginners who want a simple way to build a site while still having access to WordPress's powerful features. WordPress hosting. Both providers offer managed WordPress hosting, but DreamHost is officially recommended by WordPress.org. This means they optimize their servers specifically for WordPress, provide automatic updates, and offer one-click WordPress installations. If you're planning to use WordPress, DreamHost is a solid choice. GoDaddy also offers WordPress hosting, but it's not as tailored to WordPress as DreamHost plans. It works fine, but you don't get as many WordPress-specific features. Storage and bandwidth. DreamHost offers unlimited storage and bandwidth on its shared hosting plans, which is great if you have a content-heavy site with lots of images or videos. GoDaddy, however, limits storage on its lower-tier plans. If you need more space, you'll have to upgrade to a pricier plan. While most small websites won't hit these limits, it's something to keep in mind. Security features. Security is a big deal, especially with so many hacking attempts happening every single day. DreamHost includes free SSL certificates, daily backups, and malware scanning in all their plans. They also offer domain privacy for free, meaning that your personal details won't be exposed when you register a domain. GoDaddy, on the other hand, charges extra extra for some of these features. SSL certificates, backups, and domain privacy all come at an additional cost. While GoDaddy does offer solid security tools, it feels like they nickel and dime you for features that DreamHost includes by default. Pricing. Which one gives you the best bang for your buck? At first glance, GoDaddy and DreamHost seem pretty similar in pricing. But when you look closer, DreamHost offers better long-term value. So let's go ahead and start by taking a look at DreamHost's different plans. So if we come here to DreamHost, we can see that they have 3 core plans. Now, each of these plans have some little different variations on them, which we'll get to in a second. But they have their shared plan, their DreamPress plan, and their VPS plan. So the shared plan, when you click this little drop-down button, you have their shared starter and their shared plan unlimited. So looking at the shared starter plan, we can go ahead and see the features that they have over here. Now, one thing to keep in mind about DreamHost is that they offer a 97-day money-back guarantee, which is pretty unheard of in the industry. Now, this plan, when you go ahead and commit to a year, starts at $295 per month, then bills at $699 per month when your plan renews. Taking a look at their monthly plans, this starts at $495 per month for your first 3 months, and then comes out to $799 per month after that. So when we look at the yearly plan, you're gonna be able to get 1 website on the shared starter plan, free domain included on that yearly plan only, unlimited traffic support, WordPress installer, free automated WordPress migrations, AI website builder, a business advisor, built-in traffic analytics, fast SSD storage, a free SSL certificate, and that 97-day money-back guarantee that I mentioned. Now, if we go ahead and switch to the unlimited plan, we can go ahead and see that it goes from 1 website to unlimited websites. Now, if you only need 1 website, obviously you don't need the unlimited plan. But if you're planning to start your own website building agency, then this might be a good place to start. Moving on to their DreamPress plan. Now, their DreamPress plan has even more variations. There's the DreamPress Standard, the DreamPress Plus plan, and the DreamPress Pro plan. We'll go ahead and just take a look at the DreamPress Standard plan, which starts at $16.95 per month for the first year, and then goes up to $19.99 per month. This is good for 1 WordPress website. You get that free domain included, supports 100,000 monthly visitors, you get unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, you get the WordPress installer, SSL certificate pre-installed, 24/7 WordPress support, an AI website builder, business advisor, built-in traffic analytics, free priority site migration, on-demand backups and one-click restore, 2 weeks of backups, fast Nginx hosting, one-click staging, and essential CDN. Their VPS plan starts at $13.75 per month, and this is more designed for small businesses who need a little bit more performance. Now, they also have some different plans here, quite a few actually under the VPS. They have their VPS Business, Professional, Enterprise, and Premier. Now, we're not going to go into each of those plans, but this should give you a feel for DreamHost pricing. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at GoDaddy hosting, we'll go ahead and come to their WordPress hosting here and check out their pricing. So if we go ahead and look at their plans, they have their managed WordPress basic plan. Now, this starts at $7.99 per month, and that is for their annual term. So you pay $95.88 today, then it renews at $155.88 for every year after that. Now, this is good for 1 website, 10 gigabytes of NVMe storage, free SSL certificate, AI creation tool, weekly backups, GoDaddy Arrow site optimizer, automated malware scans and removal, up to 2 times faster performance with CDN, and free GoDaddy digital marketing trial. When you bump up to their managed WordPress Deluxe plan, this starts at $10.99 per month, billed annually for a total of $131.88 due today, and this renews at $203.88 per year after that. This is also good for 1 website, but you get 20 gigabytes of storage, as well as some other perks here as well. You get enhanced security with DDoS protection, as well as a staging site. Now, moving up to the managed WordPress Ultimate, this plan starts at $14.99 per month, billed annually for a total of $179.88, and renews at $275.88 every year after that. Again, this is good for 1 website, but you get 30 gigabytes of NVMe storage, as well as the SEO optimizer, Smart WordPress plugin manager. You can sell online with WooCommerce. You get priority support, PHP version control, Object Cache Pro coming soon, version controls with WP Core coming soon, application performance monitoring coming soon, and a Git integration. Those are the pricing for GoDaddy. Performance and uptime. Which one's more reliable? So website speed and reliability directly impact user experience and SEO. Speed. GoDaddy consistently delivers excellent load speeds, averaging around 280 milliseconds. DreamHost is slower, on average around 1.4 seconds, but you can significantly boost yours by using the caching plugins or a CDN. Now, for sites that demand quick load times right from the start, GoDaddy might have a clear edge. However, DreamHost performance can be greatly improved, especially if you're comfortable using additional optimization tools and plugins, which might not be ideal for beginners. Uptime. GoDaddy maintains an impressive uptime of approximately 99.98%. And this is important if your website is an online store or you rely heavily on visitors around the clock. DreamHost trails slightly behind with 99.77%, which is generally reliable, but can mean a few extra hours of downtime annually compared to GoDaddy. While this difference may seem small, every moment your website is down can potentially mean lost customers and revenue, making GoDaddy slightly more favorable in this area. Customer support. Who helps you faster? Having reliable support can be a lifesaver when your website runs into problems. GoDaddy offers extensive 24/7 support options, including phone, live chat, and ticket-based help. Their phone support can be a huge advantage in urgent situations. However, users often report mixed experiences, depending largely on the expertise and helpfulness of the individual representative. DreamHost, on the other hand, offers comprehensive 24/7 email and live chat support. While they do offer phone support, it comes at an additional cost as a callback service, which might not suit users looking for immediate verbal help. Despite this limitation, DreamHost's online support representatives are usually highly knowledgeable and efficient, often resolving problems quickly and thoroughly via chat and email. Their knowledge base and online resources also tend to be richer and easier to navigate. If immediate, direct verbal communication is critical to you, then GoDaddy is a clear winner. But if quick online responses from experienced representatives are enough for you, then DreamHost offers superior value and expertise. Final verdict: which one should you choose? If you want cheaper pricing, better WordPress support, and includes security features, DreamHost is the way to go. If you want fast performance, more server locations, and direct phone support, GoDaddy might be the better fit. For most users, DreamHost wins because it offers more for less. Especially great for WordPress users and small business owners who want hassle-free hosting without surprise fees. Still unsure? If you're just starting out, DreamHost is a solid choice. If you're already using GoDaddy and it's working for you, there's no urgent need to switch. Either way, you now have all the info that you need to make an informed decision. And if you want to get started with either GoDaddy or DreamHost, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no additional cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.